Hey, good looking. Not me, I'm talking to you. I mean, just a stupid camera. I've had a few people private message me and ask me about sharpening. I'm going to show you how I do it. It's no big secret. If you've watched any knife making videos, you've probably seen it, but actually let me grab the camera and flip you around. So once I get to where I want it, I use a 220 grit Norton belt, and it is the R823P. I don't know. If you go on any website where you can get 2x72 belts, I like the Norton belts. They stay cooler. They last longer. You get your money out of them. And for grinding the bevels, I use these 50 grit Norton Blaze belts. They're a little bit more expensive, but you get way more out of them. And then this is a 2x72 leather strop belt. So I throw my compound on there, and I stinking ride it along the edge. Here, I'll show you. I'll turn it on and just ride it along this edge here. Same thing with a 220, and then I'll flip it over and do the same thing right here. I'm not saying that this is the right way. That's just the way I do it. I'll show you a little test on this blade, I guess. Okay. This is a piece of eucalyptus. It's really raw, chunky wood. This wood is stinking hard, and it's green. Just fell like a few weeks ago. But you can see there, no damage, no damage. That is a stain. Leopard, cheetah, leopard. Anyways, yeah, I can't say who this knife is for, but I like to finish my knives before I say who they're for. Have a good evening, have a good week. One more paper cut for the road.